Yeah, so hello guys, today we are gonna try and make a bottom navigation menu. We're gonna open Android Studio, click on empty views activity, click on next, name your application depending on how you want to name it. So I'm gonna be writing this in Java. This Java minimum, let it be Android 7. Build configuration language, just leave it as it is on the default, then click on finish. Wait for Gradle to finish running. Go to Java. First things first, you want to create a menu, and for a menu you're gonna go to here, click on Android resource file, change from value to menu, then gonna name it something like main menu. So once you have clicked on that, everything else remains the same. Click on OK, and there you have it. So split, create the menu items. Say for example, instead of text we can use title. So that is one item created. You're gonna duplicate that and have 3 of them: home, about, and settings. About, so settings. So once you have this main menu, it's complete. You're saving. Now you're gonna go back to the main activity.xml. So what we want to do is we want to add a bottom navigation. So come on, bottom navigation. So this right here, match parent. Once we are done with that, let's first of all see if this works. You can see. So now since this is working, you may want to add more. For example, the icons for this. We're gonna come back here to the main menu. So once you are here at the main menu, so if you want to add an icon, you're just gonna see icon, Android icon. So you want to go to drawable home. I see home. You can see we don't have an home icon, so we are gonna home icon. We are gonna go to drawable, new, vector asset, clip art. So click on this, search on home. It's gonna show up there. Okay, so name it as you want to. Mine, I'm gonna name it IC home because that's what I've named it there before. So next, finish. So we're gonna do the same for about and settings. So what could be an icon? Let's see what icons they have for about. So what we can do, use info and use this IC icon info. Let me just use about. Next, finish, and last but not least, you're gonna use add for settings. Yeah. So when you come back here, they should show why they're showing at the top, and you can see the icons are here at the top, and it's because the setting is wrong. Just gonna change this to wrap content, and you want this to be at the bottom. Bottom to the bottom of parent. Yeah, so that's how you do it. When you rerun, this should be right, and you should see hello world. Gradle has finished. And yeah, so when you click on it, just shows. So that's how you do it. Like and subscribe.
Perfect.